We've all been there, right? Maybe it's raining outside, you're fumbling for your keys, you want to get in the door, it's cold, various scenarios. I've got a solution. In 2026, your home and your home on wheels should be smarter than that. Today, we're looking at the GHome Smart KD03Pro. This isn't just another door handle. It's a full-scale security upgrade for homeowners, RV enthusiasts, and vacation rental hosts. Whether you're looking for peace of mind or just tired of lockout calls from guests, this biometric solution changes the game. Let's break down why this special model is the gold standard for smart entry. The KD03 Pro is built on a foundation of biometric precision. It features a 360-degree fingerprint sensor that recognizes your print in 0.4 seconds with 99.9% accuracy. It has 4-in-1 entry. You aren't just limited to fingerprints. You have the GHome app control, custom passcodes, and for those traditionalists, a mechanical backup key. It's built for the elements. It's IP54 weatherproof and rated for temperatures from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. It runs off a removable 700 milliamp battery. You get about 6 months on a single charge. If it does die, oh well. There's an emergency USB port on the exterior to jumpstart the lock, so you're never truly locked out. For a lot of people, one of the biggest barriers to smart home security is the fear of the installation. The KD03 Pro is designed to be a direct DIY replacement. If you can use a screwdriver, you can install this. It fits standard US door thickness of 35mm to 55mm and doesn't require any new drilling. You simply remove your old knob, slide in the latch, connect the interior and exterior units via the plug-and-play wire, and secure the screws. So once I saw what it would do for our house, I knew we needed to get one for our camper. Now, most RV doors come with locks on them and keys to unlock them. However, when we run into a situation with maybe some of our smaller campers, or if there's any kind of medical emergency, if we can't find that key or even get the door unlocked, we could be facing some serious problems. Installing it on the interior door of the camper was just as easy as it was putting it on at the house. And it makes me feel a little better knowing if there is an emergency situation, we do have a way where we can get behind that door. Pairing with the GHome app via Bluetooth takes less than 60 seconds. You're going from a dumb door to a high-tech fortress in the time it takes to brew a pot of coffee. Now let's talk about vacation rental management. If you run an Airbnb or a Vrbo, the KD03 Pro is your new best friend. You can generate temporary access codes for guests directly from the app. No more hidden keys under the mat or changing physical locks between stays. You get an entry lock so you know exactly when the cleaning crew arrived or when guests checked out. For my RV crowd, this is more for your interior doors. But security on the road is a little different. You want something robust but easy to manage. The KD03 Pro's auto lock feature ensures that even if you're distracted when leaving your rig, your door is secured in 5 to 30 seconds. That is true peace of mind. So we've had it for about a week now. The company gave me a lot of time to try it out and mess with it. So here are my final thoughts. One thing I really liked about it was we could put it on the interior doors so that if there was an emergency or a smaller camper got locked into a room, you could just easily open the door with a code, a fingerprint, or even the app. The GHome KD03 Pro isn't just about gadgetry. It's about removing a daily friction point. It's the security knowing your kids can get in after school without a key. The convenience of hands-free entry to your home or storage area, and the professional automation required for a 5-star rental. If you're ready to ditch the keys and upgrade your home security, I'll put links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button if this helped you decide on your next smart home upgrade, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech that actually makes life easier.